we've been doing composite figures. We did composite figures before the snowstorm. This is the last little practice of practicing composite figures. I'm going to do some examples of some of the ones that are in the assignment today, and you'll be able to choose some of the rest. And some of these you're either going to add what you figure out or subtract. I'm going to do this first one for you right here, or not for you, as an example. So I want to notice that there's two shapes right here. I have a rectangle here and a rectangle here. So I'm going to use A equals BH for both of them. On this small little rectangle, I know this is 3, and I need to know what goes here. So I got to use these other numbers. I have 6, and I have 4, so I need to know what's here. So I have to look down here and see that if it goes all the way, it's 12. So I go 12 minus 4, which is 8. 8 minus 6, which is 2, and I get this. So 2 times 3. 2 times 3 gets me 6. So that's going to be right there. All right, then I'm going to do this rectangle, which is A equals base times height. Well, I have 5 and I have 12, and that's 60. And I go 60 plus 6 gets me 66. So the area of this composite figure is 66. Okay. All right, I'm going to do this one. All right, what shapes do I see? I see a rectangle and a triangle. So I have A equals 1/2 BH. A equals base times height. Let me write that in pen so you can see it better. All right, so I need to know what is the length of this triangle, which is going to be 8, because the whole length of this rectangle is 14, and it gives me this part, which is 6. So I'm going to subtract 14 minus 6 and get 8. Okay, so 14 minus 6, and I got 8. Then I want to know, well, how much is the height of the triangle? Well, the triangle only goes to here, but it says that at 12 goes all the way here. So I have I have to use this side over here, and I have to go 12 minus 4. And get 8. All right, like I was saying, 12 is the full length, and I need to know how much it is from here to here. So I'm going to go 12 minus 4, and I'm going to get 8 right there. So I'm going to go 1/2, 8 times 8. So 8 times 8. 8 times 8 is 64 divided by 2, because of the half, is 32. Okay. Then I have a rectangle again, so I'm going to go base times height. The height is 4, the base is 14. 14 times 4 is 56. So 56 plus 32 is 88. All right, now I'm going to do one more. So on those first two, I subtracted to find parts, and then I added it at the end to find the total square foot of the composite figure. So now I'm going to do this one right here. So what I'm going to do is find the area of this. This is 5. And I need to find what is this missing piece. Well, I have all of this is 20. all the way up to here is 16. So I'm going to go 20 minus 16 and get 4. Well, this is a rectangle, so that's A equals BH. So I'm going to go 5 times 4 and get 20. So 20 is right there. And then I'm going to use this whole rectangle, whole rectangle. And if this is 20, and this is, alright, if this is 20 and I need to find out what this whole side is, well, this is, from here to here is 15, and from here to here is 5, so I know that's 20. 20 times 20 is 400. And since this is, basically this is missing a piece, so it's missing a piece, I'm going to go 400 minus 20 to get 380. So the area of the composite figure is 380. Those are examples of how you need to do today's assignment.